All right. Got two cameras running. One there, because I don't know how loud the saw is going to be in this microphone. So my stove takes 16-inch pieces of wood. Some of these are like 18. I'm not 100% sure how I didn't catch that when I stacked them all here, because I did check. So we're going to go back through today and get oh good Lord, get a few of them cut back. God, this oil's so sticky. All right. Here we go. It's been a minute since this has started. My goodness. Whew. It's going to be one of those days. just saw one more. I just saw one more. This one's definitely too big. All right, here we are. Well, I got done everything I wanted to get done. It wasn't without a bit of work. The saw's very dull. I totally forgot that I cut a couple stumps for the neighbors and hit quite a bit of dirt. And I never sharpened it after that. So that's what the problem was. Hit quite a bit of dirt and rocks and everything. So the job is done, but I do need to sharpen still. And judging from what we just saw, it's pretty dull. You know what? I need... Do I have anything? Can I? Well, maybe. Let me see here. Put a scratch in that tooth or something so I don't know where my paint pen went. Usually I mark the tooth I start with a paint pen. Wow. How about, that's what we'll do. We'll just shine up that raker. Excuse me, wow. Good Lord, it's all a mess. All right. And I'm not filing the raker because I have no need to. I'm just basically cleaning the dirt off of it so I know where I started. And then I'll know where I need to end up. Wow, this chain feels tight. I'm curious how it's going to, through this microphone I got here, I'm curious how well you'll be able to hear me over the saw, or how loud it is. That might be a clip that I can't even really use because it's too loud. Holy crap, what do we... Yeah, got something built up in the sprocket or something. Oh yeah, we got all kinds of little nicks in these teeth. Chickens are hitting the side of the wall. So we'll get it sharpened up, we'll get it cleaned up, get all the fuel emptied out of it, and There you go. Okay, that's the one I started on. So now we got to go the other way. I hate going this way. You know what? I need to be smart about this. And if it just feels so tight. All right, this will go a little bit smoother now. I think it's darn near time for a new chain. Come on. All right, we made it around. Now I need to turn the air compressor on and make a whole bunch of noise. Plug your ears. It's gonna get loud. Interesting to see how well this will work. I'm gonna go get another piece of wood and put it on the fire and leave you guys right there just playing with this new microphone, seeing if it's how far it'll go. probably going to be close to being time to letting the fire go out for the day. On the roof, it is still, well, it's 52 degrees on the roof right now. So I am going to be real curious to see if you guys even hear this right now. So anyway, a little explanation on what we're doing here. This is our Wood Heat Wednesday. You know, it's in all my thoughts on this whole Wood Heat Wednesday series slash video stuff. I mean, I like to teach people, and I'll start off by saying that I can do anything, but I'm not a professional at anything, if that makes any sense. So I don't really feel qualified to teach, but maybe I could teach through showing my own failures, or you know what I mean, through through learning right here on YouTube with you guys. Maybe some of you can teach me in the comment section, and in doing so, you can teach our viewers too. So that's where we're at with that. Take a walk back out here to the shop. I am really curious. Well, we may as well get that guy cleaned off while we're here. There you have it. That's going to be the end of this Wood Heat Wednesday video, because I think it's probably gone on long enough. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see more of this, and we will see you next time.